Hello, I'm Cliff Munson with Rotovac Corporation in Seattle, Washington. What we're going to do here today is we're going to compare the suction power of these three standard popular extractors to the new Rotovac CFX with ZX vac motors to see what the suction difference is in these units. First we're going to do the Mighty, then the Ninja Warrior, and then the Sandia Sniper to see exactly what the inches of lift vacuum power is in each unit. We're using a standard vacuum gauge which reads up to 220 inches of lift. First we'll do the Mighty. This is a standard Mighty extractor with dual two-stage vacs, one of their most popular selling units. Turn on both vac motors. What do you got there, Nate?
Looks like it's reading about 52 inches of lift, approximately.
52 inches of lift? That's the Mighty extractor. Now we're going to do the Ninja Warrior. This is also a very popular extractor in the industry. It was their model with the dual two-stage vacs and looks like a high PSI pump. Let's turn on both vac motors. What do you got?
About 84, 85.
About 84, 85. That's better than the Mighty. Next, we've got the Sandia Sniper, standard unit, very popular also in the industry. Standard, dual two-stage. See what the vac power is on this one.
Reading about 78.
78, 79, just under 80 inches of lift. Now we're going to check out the newest thing in the industry. That's the Rotovac ZX. It has the high performance ZX vac motors custom built for Rotovac from Lam Amatec, made in the USA. These motors produce amazing vacuum lift. So powerful you can run through 200 feet of vacuum hose efficiently. Let's check this one out. Whoa, look at that. Buried the gauge. Wow. Hard to get it on. Let's do that one more time. It buries the gauge. We need to get a gauge that goes up to about 240 inches of lift in order to get an accurate reading on this one, but as you can see, suction power of the new CFX with the ZX vac motors is phenomenal. In addition, the CFX is super compact and it weighs only 40 pounds. You can pick it up with one hand, carry it upstairs. It takes a minimal amount of space in any truck. Super portable. So the CFX, as you can see, is much smaller and yet it's much more powerful, up to 3 times more powerful than a standard extractor. For more information, check it out at rotovac.com, rotovac.com.